Boker Tov, Ephesians 6:11-14. Put on the complete armor of Elohim for you to have power to stand against the schemes of the devil. Because we do not wrestle against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against authorities, against the world rulers of the darkness of this age, against spiritual matters of wickedness in the heavenlies. Because of this, take up the complete armor of Elohim, so that you have power to withstand in the wicked day, and having done all, to stand. Get dressed with me. It's time for the Boker Declaration of Armor. Truth. I wrap truth around me tight and strong. Affirmation. I walk in what is real. I speak what is right. I stand in what is eternal. Breastplate of righteousness. I cover my heart with what is clean. Affirmation. I am made right by Yahusha. My heart beats with his justice. Shoes of peace. I step into peace and walk it out. Affirmation. Where I go, peace follows. I carry good news with every step. Shield of faith. I lift my shield high and firm. Affirmation. I trust Yahusha. No lie, no dart, no fear can break through. Helmet of salvation. I cover my mind with saving truth. Affirmation. My thoughts are guarded. I know who I am. I belong to the King. Sword of the Spirit. I hold the word, sharp and alive. Affirmation. I speak life. I fight with truth. I win with the word. Final declaration. I am dressed. I am ready. I am covered in Yahusha. No weapon formed will prosper. I walk in victory, peace, and power, today and always. I am not alone. I am not defeated.